You're crazy.
I have one.
He'll be gone in 5 minutes.
Yeah?
The way it's snowing.
Huh?
I said the way it's snowing, it'll be gone in 5 minutes. Keep going. You got plenty of space.
I know. I'm happy.
Almost 6 acres.
And,
Oh my God, you're crazy. Wow, the flakes. Look at the size of the flakes now. They're huge.
it's so cold.
Well, yeah, it's like 28 degrees outside.
And lay down. A picture naman. Like this.
Let me get you in the focus here.
Huh?
Trying to get you in the focus. There you go. I'm going to have to do some edits. I think the snowflakes are making it confused for the focus.
Yeah.
Getting deep already. Yeah, it's almost 8 inches now.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's going to keep going until about 2 o'clock in the morning.
Wow. Woo! Woo! Taking picture?
Yeah, it's no video.
A video. How about picture? Woo! Wow! A lot.
How's those gloves?
Good. A lot of snow.
Yep,
What's that?
video. I'll tell you when I stop recording. You didn't lock us out, did you?
Huh?
I said you didn't lock us out, did you?
No.
Oh my God, look at the size of these flakes. They're like the size of golf balls.
I know. Oh. Wow.
I've never seen flakes this big. And they're not wet either, they're fluffy. They're like cotton balls falling from the sky.
And
Your hands are not cold?
huh?
Your hands are not cold?
No, not yet.
Not yet? That's amazing.
Oh my God! Look at that.
Yeah, wow, now it's baseball size flakes.
Wow. Han, use your phone and go live.
Go
Use
live.